I ask my IG stories, YouTube help. What do you need help with the most? YouTube content or engagement? And the results are Ask Janay teaching new YouTubers how to grow your visibility for your business using YouTube, all while creating the life that you are destined for. Make sure you hit subscribe and have the bell notification turned on when I post new videos every week until Wednesday. Hey Lady A, today is day 3 of my 5-day video blitz. If you haven't already checked out day 1 and day 2, don't worry, I'll have it linked in the card section or down in the description box. But today I'm going to be talking about video content ideas. Yes, it can be overwhelming and very stressful, especially when you're trying to figure out exactly what ideas makes for good videos and what exactly your audience have. But today I'm going to be sharing with you 15 video ideas for anyone who's in business, whether you have a business or a brand. These video ideas are for you. And we're starting.
4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up.
Cut it. When it comes down to filling up your content calendar and making sure that you have all the endless video ideas for your YouTube channel, I like to break my content down into 3 simple categories, which is your level up content, your reach content, and your lifestyle content. And underneath the level up content, these are anything that's going to position you as the boss, as the expert, as the thought leader, anything that is just pretty much going to gear you in position, saying that I know exactly what I'm talking about. You should listen to me. You should connect with me because I know what is going on over here. So not to, you're not in competition with anyone else, but you're in competition with yourself. So this is what you need to be doing to making yourself better. And with those to level up content, you want to create content that are based on tutorials. With the tutorials, you're basically showing your clients, your audience, your target market, your ideal customer exactly what it is that they need help with. You're going to be showing them step by step how you get from point A to point B in your tutorial videos. And another piece of content that follow up underneath the level up content is technology. When it comes down to technology, if you're a tech savvy type of person, you want to show people the ins and out, how to pretty much edit videos or how to, use the latest thing, things that comes on their iPhone or the latest gears that comes on their, their MacBook or their Microsoft book. Microsoft book, is that even such a thing? I'll let you know I'm not a tech person over here, but anything that has to do with technology, you want to create videos that surrounds around that's related to your niche or your niche, whatever's the correct one. And another piece of content that also helps position you as an expert is proven tactics. Doing videos that shows people what exactly is working for you in your business, or what is working for you to either lose weight, or what is ever working for you to sell the house if you're in real estate. And another piece of content as well that goes hand in hand will position you as the expert and as a leader, and to help you level up and put on your boss stat. Reviews. You can do the reviews of the latest iPhone or Android, or the latest view on different cameras, just anything that has to do with your niche. You want to do reviews on the latest course that you probably taken that relates to it, or the latest book, which is as well as another main topic as well, is books that relates to your industry that you're in. Like for myself as video marketing, if I were to do, I did a review on YouTube Secrets by video influencers, which I'll have linked in the cards as well. So you can go and check that out. Just taking anything that relates to your niche and just doing, different reviews on something that you read or an event that you went to. You want to just position yourself as a leadership. And the last step underneath here is Q&As. Anything that a piece of content on where if you are doing a live session where you answering questions, or if you are strolling on the internet and you see someone ask a question and no one has to answer it, that could be another piece of video content that you can use to answer those type of questions. Any form of Q&A, whether it be live or it could be previously recorded and put up here on YouTube. Now let's dive into category 2, which is your reach content. And in this reach content is just anything that's going to position you to where you're reaching out to other people that are in your industry, or you're reaching out to more people who are, following certain things that, you know, goes in hands with your brand and industry. And another piece of content that relates with that is doing interviews. So if you're in real estate and it's something that you specialize in, and you know you don't specialize in another aspect that has to do with real estate, you can interview someone who does that and just bring them onto your channel or whatever, and interview them and talk about that, you know, pretty much go hand in hand, so that when, you know, you all post a video, you're going to be talking about it, and that person's going to be talking about it. It's going to help bring over that buzz, and just, you know, get you, you know, have you reach out to a whole different audience that's outside of your audience. And as well, you can do a collaboration with someone who also is that relates to your industry. If you're, you know, doing natural hair care and someone else does natural hair care, you all can do a collaboration on different things that you're doing to, you know, do the health of someone's hair. There's all kind of ways that you can think about when you come down to the collaborations and interviews. And another piece of information that you can use for your reach, content trends. What exactly that everyone is buzzing on Google or Instagram or on Facebook or on Twitter or whatever is trending now. You want to make sure that it actually relates with your industry and what your niche or whatever your business or brand is surrounding around. You want to make sure that you can use that piece of content in your videos. Like, for instance, at the beginning of this video, I used Ciara's Level Up or whatever to talk about my level up content, and just talk about just leveling up your business and your brand and your game when it comes down to creating videos. So that's another way of how using trends and letting that, you know, fold over into your business. And another good piece of rich content is authority hacking. And authority hacking is just pretty much following someone who is like well known or whatever it is that they're teaching or putting out for their business or their brand. You can take that same piece of information and put it over here onto, you know, your YouTube channel, and just pretty much, you know, teach it the same way they teach it, or take it and put a whole different spin on it, and just let it be known, like, okay, this is where I got this piece of information from, or this is what I seen, or this is what I, you know, learned or came across, and now I just want to take it and just put it over here and see how it works. So that's another form of reach out content, which is authority hack. And if you're still following along with me and you're getting value from this video, go ahead and smash the like button, and go ahead and hashtag level up, and let me see those comments. Let me know that you are still engaged and you're still following along with. Okay, last category, which is lifestyle content. Now with the lifestyle content, it's just plain and simple lifestyle. You want to share your lifestyle, and when it comes down to sharing your lifestyle, you can do videos in the form of vlogs, going behind the scenes of your business, and just pretty much just giving them a more personal aspect of you. Other type of lifestyle content would be your episodic content, and these type of episodic content is just pretty much like episodes. It's just pretty much showing, you know, one piece of information, and it's just going to continue on into another video, and you continue on to another video, however long you want your episodic content to be. It just pretty much develops cliffhangers in your video. And I talked about cliffhangers in my video, yesterday's video, on how to plan your YouTube content, which you can find in the card section, or you can find the link down below. But with episodic, you know, it's just something different, and just something that a lot of YouTubers use on YouTube that I have seen, but I don't use it in my business. But it's just something that I figure I'll give it over to you and see how you like it. Another aspect that comes to lifestyle content is lifestyle hacks. Like, pretty much just showing, you know, different hacks to your everyday lifestyle, to everyday uses that people use around their house, or whatever that they are needing hacks to. You just pretty much create videos on the lifestyle hacks, and you can also do the same thing when it comes down to business hacks. What are you using in your business to get you from point A to point B? So it may be like different ways to get ads for less than $1 on Facebook or on Instagram, or how you know, increase your followers on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, anything that relates to your business. And, you know, getting those different hacks, how you go about doing it, share it. People want to know about it. People are always on YouTube asking questions and this is a place to position you to answer those questions.